Have you ever noticed how the most frightening scientific discoveries rarely arrive with explosions, flashing alarms, or dramatic warnings? They arrive quietly, a tiny discrepancy, a number that refuses to fit, a result that keeps appearing where it shouldn't. Right now, a story is spreading across the internet claiming that scientists beneath the Franco-Swiss border have ripped open reality itself. According to the rumors, secret experiments at CR have created portals, triggered hidden alarms, or damaged the very fabric of space and time. The story is exciting. It sounds like science fiction brought to life. But it is also completely missing the point, because the truth emerging from the data is far more extraordinary than any viral headline. Nobody at CR has opened a gateway to another universe. Nobody has created a dangerous black hole. The Large Hadron Collider is not a machine designed to destroy the world. Yet something deeply important is happening inside those massive underground tunnels, and the scientists study and understand just how serious it could become. The concern isn't about an accident. It isn't about a malfunction. The concern is about understanding. For decades, physicists have relied on an incredibly successful framework called the Standard Model. This theory has explained the behavior of particles and forces with astonishing accuracy. It has survived experiment after experiment and helped reveal some of the deepest truths about nature. But now, in subtle and unexpected ways, reality appears to be pushing back. The warning signs are not dramatic enough to dominate headlines. Instead, they appear as small statistical difference between prediction and observation. Tiny gaps between what the equations say should happen and what detectors are actually measuring. To most people, those differences might seem insignificant. To a physicist, they are impossible to ignore. Because history has shown that when reality disagrees with our equations, even by the smallest margin, an entirely new understanding of the universe may be waiting on the other side. Imagine humanity living on the surface of an enormous drum. Every city, every telescope, every scientific instrument exists on that thin stretched membrane. Generation after generation studies the surface and eventually develops a complete theory describing everything visible there. The equations work beautifully. Every prediction succeeds. Confidence grows until people begin to believe the surface is all that exists. Then one day, that civilization builds a machine powerful enough to strike the drum harder than ever before. The impact recreates conditions similar to those that existed just moments after the birth of the universe. Everyone expects familiar vibrations. Instead, something impossible happens. Strange echoes return from somewhere beneath the surface. Signals arrive from a direction their maps cannot describe. Suddenly, the certainty that once defined their understanding begins to crack. That unsettling possibility is not just a thought experiment. In many ways, it reflects what some physicists are beginning to consider as they examine the results coming from high-energy collisions at CERN. The strange signals appearing in certain data sets are not proof of hidden dimensions or parallel realities. The evidence is nowhere near that definitive. But the anomalies are intriguing enough that researchers are asking questions that only a few years ago would have seemed almost impossible to test. To understand why, we first need to confront one of the biggest misconceptions in modern science. Most people naturally assume that everything we can see, the stars, planets, galaxies, oceans, mountains, and every living thing on Earth makes up most of the universe. It feels reasonable because visible matter is the only kind of matter our senses directly experience. Every object we touch, or every light we see, and every instrument we build is made from the same familiar ingredients, protons, neutrons, electrons, and the particles described by the Standard Model. But nature tells a very different story. When astronomers measure the behavior of galaxies and study the large-scale structure of the cosmos, they repeatedly arrive at the same conclusion. And ordinary matter accounts for only about 5% of the universe. Everything humanity has ever observed directly exists within that tiny fraction. The remaining 95% consists of components we still do not fully understand. Roughly 27% appears to be dark matter, while about 68% is attributed to dark energy. Together, these invisible ingredients dominate the cosmos, yet they remain largely unexplained by our most successful theories. For years, this mystery remained mostly an astronomical problem. Scientists could observe its effects on galaxies and cosmic expansion, but they had little opportunity to investigate it directly. That is where particle accelerators enter the picture. Inside the Large Hadron Collider, protons are accelerated to incredible speeds before smashing together with enormous energy. These collisions recreate conditions similar to those that existed shortly after the Big Bang. According to the Standard Model, scientists should be able to count for every particle and every unit of energy produced during these events. Energy cannot simply disappear. It must transform into something measurable. Most of the time, that is exactly what happens. But in certain collisions, researchers have noticed something unusual. The mathematical accounting occasionally appears incomplete. Tiny amounts of energy seem to be missing from the final measurements. Not enough to declare a discovery. Not enough to overturn physics, but enough to raise eyebrows among experts who understand just how precise these experiments have become. If those missing energy signatures continue to survive deeper analysis, physicists are left with a fascinating question. Where could that energy be going? According to everything we currently understand, energy should remain inside the detectable system. It can change form, split into new particles, or spread through space, but it should never simply vanish from the accounting sheet. Yet some theoretical models suggest a possibility that sounds extraordinary while remaining firmly rooted in mathematics. That possibility involves dimensions beyond the 3 spatial dimensions we experience every day. For most of human history, dimensions seemed obvious. We move left and right, forward and backward, up and down. Combined with time, these form the framework through which we interpret reality. But modern theoretical physics has repeatedly hinted that this familiar picture may be incomplete. Some of the most ambitious theories developed over the past several decades propose that the universe contains additional dimensions hidden from ordinary perception. Among these ideas, string theory remains one of the most famous. Instead of viewing fundamental particles as tiny point-like objects, string theory suggests they may be incredibly small vibrating strands of energy. Different vibrations produce different particles, much like different notes emerge from the strings of a musical instrument. However, the mathematics supporting these models often requires more dimensions than the 4 we commonly recognize. According to these frameworks, extra dimensions are not located somewhere far away in distant space, and they could exist everywhere around us right now. The reason we fail to notice them is not because they are magical or supernatural. Rather, they may be folded into incredibly small geometric structures that remain far beyond the reach of everyday experience. Their scales are so tiny that even our most advanced instruments struggle to probe them directly. This is where an especially intriguing concept enters the discussion. Some theoretical models propose that our universe behaves like a vast 3-dimensional surface embedded within a larger multidimensional structure. In these scenarios, all the matter and light we interact with remain confined to that surface. Every atom in your body, every planet, every star, and every galaxy would exist within this cosmic layer. In a sense, we would be like inhabitants living entirely on the surface of a sheet, unaware of the larger space surrounding it. Yet one force may not be completely trapped there. Gravity behaves differently from the other fundamental forces. Unlike electromagnetism or the nuclear forces, gravity is extraordinarily weak. Physicists have long wondered why. Some theories suggest the answer could be that gravity is not fully confined to our observable universe. Instead, part of its influence may spread into hidden dimensions beyond our perception. If that idea is correct, then extremely energetic particle collisions could briefly create conditions where energy leaks into those hidden regions. To detectors, such events would appear as missing energy, an invisible escape route that standard physics cannot easily explain. And that possibility leads directly to an even more unsettling mystery, one connected to the invisible majority of the universe itself. That invisible majority is what scientists call the dark sector, and this is where the story becomes even more difficult to comprehend. For many people, dark matter sounds like ordinary matter hiding in darkness, as if there are planets, stars, or clouds floating unseen somewhere in space. But the evidence points towards something far stranger. Dark matter does not appear to be made from any particle currently described by the standard model. After decades of experiments, observations, and increasingly sensitive detectors, researchers still have no confirmed identification of what dark matter actually is. What they do know is that its gravitational influence is impossible to ignore. Galaxies rotate far too quickly for the amount of visible matter they contain. Clusters of galaxies remain bound together when they should fly apart. Massive concentrations of unseen material bend light traveling across the cosmos, creating gravitational lensing effects that can be measured with remarkable precision. Everywhere scientists look, the same conclusion emerges. Something enormous is present. Something massive is shaping the universe. Yet it remains completely invisible to conventional observation. As mysterious as dark matter is, dark energy presents an even deeper challenge. Observations show that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. Instead of slowing down under the pull of gravity, space itself is stretching faster over time. To explain this behavior, physicists introduced the concept of dark energy, a form of energy associated with empty space itself. The problem is that when theoretical calculations attempt to predict its value, the results are catastrophically wrong. The discrepancy is so enormous that it represents the largest known mismatch between theory and observation in the history of science. And that fact alone suggests something fundamental is missing from our understanding, but an even more provocative possibility has begun attracting attention. What if dark matter and dark energy are not simply passive ingredients scattered throughout the cosmos? What if they belong to an entire hidden framework of physics operating alongside our own? Imagine a parallel network of particles, forces, and interactions existing throughout the universe while remaining almost completely invisible to us. Not because it occupies another location, but because our instruments are tuned to detect only a small subset of reality, just as radio waves existed long before humans developed receivers capable of detecting them. Entire categories of physical interactions could be unfolding around us without entering our awareness. Some theoretical models suggest the dark sector may contain its own force carriers, its own interactions, and perhaps even structures of remarkable complexity. If any connection exists between our visible universe and this hidden realm, high-energy particle collisions might provide one of the few opportunities to detect it. And that brings us back to CERN, because the Large Hadron Collider was never designed to see dark matter directly. Instead, it was built to track energy and momentum with extraordinary precision. And in those rare events where the accounting seems incomplete, physicists are beginning to wonder whether they are seeing the first faint hints of a boundary that may not be as solid as they once believed. If that boundary is truly more permeable than our current theories suggest, then the implications reach far beyond particle physics. This is no longer just a question about missing energy in a detector or unexplained anomalies in a data set. It becomes a question about the limits of human perception itself. Throughout history, every major scientific revolution has followed a similar pattern. We discover that reality is larger than the portion we can directly experience. There was a time when humanity believed Earth occupied the center of everything. Then we learned that our planet circles the sun. Later, we discovered that the sun is only one star among hundreds of billions in our galaxy. Eventually, we realized our galaxy is merely one island in an unimaginably vast cosmic ocean. Each discovery forced us to accept the same humbling truth: the universe is always bigger than our assumptions. What makes the current situation so remarkable is that the challenge may not involve distance at all. The hidden layers physicists are searching for may not exist beyond the edge of the observable universe. They may not be waiting in some remote corner of space. Instead, they could be woven directly into the fabric of reality surrounding us at every moment. Entire dimensions, unknown particles, and undiscovered interactions could coexist with the visible universe while remaining inaccessible to our biological senses. This possibility highlights an important fact about human evolution. Our senses were never designed to reveal the deepest structure of reality. They were designed to help our ancestors survive. Our eyes detect only a tiny portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. We cannot naturally perceive radio waves, X-rays, infrared radiation, or gamma rays. Our hearing captures only a narrow range of frequencies. Even our sense of touch is limited to scales relevant for navigating everyday environments. The universe does not shape itself around human perception. Instead, our perception represents a narrow window carved out of a much larger reality. Science has spent centuries expanding that window through technology. Telescopes revealed distant galaxies. Microscopes uncovered hidden biological worlds. Particle accelerators exposed layers of matter that no human sense could ever detect directly. The Large Hadron Collider may represent the next step in that progression. Buried beneath the Alps, this extraordinary machine functions like a probe reaching into regions of reality that evolution never prepared us to explore. Every collision generates information from conditions that existed near the beginning of the universe itself. Every data set provides another opportunity to compare theory with nature. And when nature refuses to match our expectations, scientists pay attention, because the most important discoveries often begin with confusion. They begin when trusted equations stop providing complete answers. They begin when reality whispers that there's something else hiding just beyond the limits of current understanding. And as researchers continue examining these anomalies, they are approaching a possibility that is both thrilling and deeply unsettling: the chance that physics itself may be standing at the edge of an entirely new frontier. That frontier is the real story unfolding beneath the Franco-Swiss border. Not secret portals, or not world-ending experiments, not the dramatic scenarios that dominate online discussions. The true story is far more profound because it challenges something much deeper than our imagination. It challenges our confidence that we already understand the fundamental structure of reality. For decades, the Standard Model has stood as one of the greatest achievements in scientific history. Its predictions have been tested countless times and confirmed with extraordinary precision. It successfully explains the particles that make up matter and the forces governing their interactions. Yet, despite all its success, the theory has never been complete. It cannot explain dark matter. It cannot account for dark energy. It cannot fully reconcile gravity with quantum mechanics. And now, as experiments push into increasingly extreme energy regimes, the cracks in our understanding are becoming harder to ignore. This does not mean physics is collapsing. In fact, the opposite may be true. But the most exciting moments in science occur when a successful theory begins encountering limits it cannot easily cross. That is not a sign of failure. It is a sign that a deeper layer of understanding may be waiting beyond it. Newton's laws were not destroyed by Einstein's relativity. They were expanded into a broader framework. Classical physics was not erased by quantum mechanics. It became part of a larger picture. Every major leap forward has required scientists to confront evidence that initially seemed impossible to explain. That is precisely why researchers are paying such close attention to the subtle anomalies emerging from high-energy collisions. No responsible physicist is claiming that extra dimensions have been discovered. No one is announcing proof of a hidden dark sector. The evidence remains incomplete, and extraordinary claims require extraordinary verification. But the questions being raised are serious enough that some of the world's brightest minds are investigating them with increasing urgency. And perhaps that is the most fascinating aspect of all. Human beings evolved to survive within a tiny slice of reality. Our senses reveal only a narrow band of what actually exists, yet through mathematics, engineering, and scientific curiosity, we have built instruments capable of reaching far beyond those biological limits. The Large Hadron Collider is one of those instruments. It is, in many ways, humanity's attempt to listen for echoes coming from parts of reality we were never meant to perceive. The signals being studied today may ultimately prove to be statistical noise. They may reveal new particles. They may point toward hidden dimensions, unknown forces, or an entirely unexpected framework that no one has imagined yet. We simply do not know. What we do know is that science is once again standing at a threshold. And if these hints lead where some physicists suspect they might, during the next great revolution in our understanding of the universe may already be beginning. If you enjoyed this journey into the deepest mysteries of modern physics, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is hiding beyond the limits of our current understanding? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.